Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to make text-to-speech voice in TikTok. Now to do that, open the TikTok application. Now once you open the TikTok, you need to tap on the plus icon. Now you need to record a video, or you can choose a video from your phone device to upload. I'm just gonna record a 15-second video. Tap on record. Now this is the video that you have just recorded. Now what you need to do here is you tap on the drop down menu and you will find all these options over here. From here you need to go to and tap on text option just below the templates. Tap that. Now you need to type in the caption for your video. Then tap on done on the top right. Once you tap on done, you will find 3 of these options. Tap that and there's text to speech, set duration, edit. You need to tap on text to speech. Now if you higher the volume, you will see the text to speech.
Subscribe WebToTech.
Now you adjust the text to speech or the caption wherever you want on your phone device. After making all the edits, like if you want to add few more stickers or any other changes that you want to make, you do this over here and then tap on next. Then you provide your caption over here and you can post it on your TikTok profile. So this is the way how you can make text-to-speech voice in TikTok. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.